This recipe is so amazing, and making it doesn't need a lot of time, and even to get the ingredients, my dear, are very simple to find. So starting from today, stop crying for me. But as usual, before I proceed, my dear, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda Live, to invite your friends to my YouTube channel as usual, to share this video to your friends, and of course, to leave a comment in the comment section. But don't forget that this home recipe doesn't have side effects and it works 100%. But remember, pregnant women and children are not supposed to eat or to drink or to use this home recipe. But I want you to take this home recipe 40 minutes before going to the bed. Trust me, when you eat this home recipe, you won't remain the same. Results will be perfect. Trust me, results will be perfect. This will make it always perfect during sleeping, and it will make you active during sleeping. So take it 40 minutes before going to the bed. Trust me, you'll be shocked. Stiff and strong during sleeping. This one can make it. So I love you so much. But as usual, my name is Coach Uganda. You are on Coach Uganda Live YouTube channel. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again on Coach Uganda.